Looking for the best impact driver for your workshop, job site, or DIY projects? In today's video, we're counting down the top 6 best impact drivers based on power, speed, durability, battery performance, and overall value. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend DIY enthusiast, this list has something for everyone. Product links are available in the description below. Let's get started. Number 6 is the DeWalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit is one of the best choices for beginners and homeowners who want dependable performance without jumping into expensive professional-grade tools. Right away, what stands out is how compact and lightweight this impact driver feels. At only 5.55 inches front to back and weighing just 2.8 pounds, it easily fits into tight workspaces while remaining comfortable during extended use. Despite the smaller size, it still delivers excellent driving power for everyday fastening tasks like deck screws, cabinet installations, furniture assembly, and general DIY work. The one-handed quarter-inch hex chuck allows quick and easy bit changes, making workflow smoother when switching between tasks. Another major highlight is the 3 LED lighting system positioned around the chuck. Unlike many tools that cast shadows, these LEDs provide excellent visibility even in dark corners or inside cabinets. The 20-second delay after releasing the trigger is also surprisingly useful during detailed work. Combined with DeWalt's strong battery platform and 3-year warranty support, this kit offers an excellent balance of portability, reliability, and convenience for everyday users and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5 is the Milwaukee 3453-20 cordless hex impact driver. Milwaukee packed an incredible amount of power into this compact little machine. The Milwaukee 3453-20 is part of the company's popular M12 fuel lineup, and it's specifically designed for users who want professional-level performance in a smaller and lighter package. Powered by a brushless motor, this impact driver delivers up to 1,500 inch-pounds of torque while reaching speeds up to 3,600 revolutions per minute in its highest mode. That combination gives it extremely fast driving performance for screws, lag bolts, and other demanding fastening applications. Yet despite the power, the tool weighs only around 2 pounds, making it perfect for overhead work or carrying on a tool belt all day long. One feature users really appreciate is the 4-mode drive control system. It allows better speed and power management depending on the task, including a dedicated self-tapping screw mode for cleaner and more controlled fastening into metal. The triple LED lighting setup is another standout feature, providing outstanding visibility around the work area. Compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful, this impact driver is ideal for electricians, contractors, installers, and anyone who regularly works in tight spaces. Number 4 is the Makita XDT11Z cordless impact driver. Makita tools have earned a strong reputation for reliability, and the XDT11Z continues that tradition beautifully. This impact driver is designed for users who want a balanced combination of speed, comfort, and long-term durability without carrying around a bulky tool. At the heart of the driver is Makita's efficient 4-pole motor delivering up to 1,460 inch-pounds of torque with variable speed control reaching 2,900 revolutions per minute and 3,500 impacts per minute. That gives it plenty of power for fastening screws, drilling into wood, and handling a wide variety of construction or workshop applications. One of the best things about this model is how comfortable it feels in the hand. The ergonomic grip, compact body, and lightweight design reduce fatigue significantly during longer projects. Measuring just over 5 inches long, it also performs extremely well in cramped areas where larger drivers become awkward to use. Makita's all-metal gear housing adds durability for tough job site conditions, while the built-in LED light helps improve visibility during darker tasks. For users who want a dependable, comfortable, and efficient impact driver that performs consistently day after day, this is an excellent choice. Number 3 is the Ryobi One Plus Impact Driver. The Ryobi One Plus Impact Driver is proof that you don't have to spend premium money to get strong performance. This tool is especially popular among DIYers and homeowners because it combines solid power with one of the most versatile battery systems on the market. Delivering up to 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, this impact driver has more than enough strength for driving long screws, lag bolts, and heavy fasteners into tough materials. It also reaches speeds up to 3,400 revolutions per minute, giving it impressive driving speed for its price category. One huge advantage of the Ryobi One Plus system is compatibility. If you already own other RYOBI cordless tools, the same 18V battery platform works across the entire lineup, which can save a lot of money over time. The compact design and comfortable grip make the tool easy to control during extended projects, while the Quick Connect chuck allows fast bit changes without frustration. While it may not feel as premium as some higher-end professional tools, most users are pleasantly surprised by its capability and reliability. For budget-conscious buyers wanting strong, everyday performance and excellent value, the Ryobi One Plus remains one of the smartest choices available today. Number 2 is the Black Plus Decker Cordless Impact Driver Kit. For casual users, beginners, and homeowners, the Black Plus Decker Cordless Impact Driver Kit offers one of the easiest and most affordable ways to step into the world of impact drivers. Its high-performance transmission produces up to 1,375 inch-pounds of torque, along with 3,000 revolutions per minute and 3,900 impacts per minute. That's more than enough power for driving long screws, assembling furniture, installing shelves, or handling light renovation work around the house. The lightweight and compact design also deserves praise because it helps reduce arm fatigue during longer projects. The soft-touch grip adds comfort and gives the tool a more secure feel during use. Another convenient feature is the quick-release quarter-inch chuck, allowing simple and fast bit changes. Perhaps the biggest advantage is the Power Connect battery platform. The included 20V battery works across multiple Black Plus Decker cordless tools, making it convenient for users building a home tool collection. Overall, this kit offers impressive value, especially for occasional users who want reliable performance without overspending. Number 1 is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Impact Driver. Taking the number 1 spot is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Impact Driver because it delivers the perfect combination of power, speed, control, and professional-level reliability. This is the kind of tool that feels equally comfortable on a heavy construction site or inside a serious DIY workshop. The brushless motor provides exceptional runtime and efficiency while delivering outstanding fastening performance. Combined with DeWalt's XR lithium-ion battery system, it offers longer operating time and stronger overall performance compared to many standard impact drivers. What really separates this tool from the competition is its 3-speed control system. Users can switch between different power settings depending on the task, giving far better precision and preventing overdriving screws during delicate work. The Precision Drive mode is especially useful for cabinetry and finish applications where control matters just as much as power. The compact design fits easily into tight spaces, while the triple LED light setup provides excellent shadow-free visibility. Add in the one-handed chuck system and durable construction, and you get an impact driver trusted by professionals all over the world. If you want the best overall impact driver for performance, versatility, and long-term reliability, the DeWalt 20V Max XR easily earns the top spot. That wraps up our list of the top 6 best impact drivers. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.